Your business card very often is the first impression people have of you. It communicates who you are, what you do, and how to reach you. I'm Pranita Kocharekar, an illustrator, designer, creator, and small business owner. And today I'm going to break down the key elements needed to design a great business card. Let's design one together using the Adobe Express Business Card Maker. Go to adobe.com/express. Under the Create drop-down, under the Marketing section, click on Business Card. Choose a template that not only fits your details but also reflects your personality. The right design should speak your style. Filters can help narrow down and align your selection a lot better. You can even add your own business details to unlock templates tailored to your theme. Now let's jump into the 5 essential elements to keep in mind when designing your business card. I'll walk you through each one of them as we create your custom business card. First comes your name. It's the primary point of recognition, so it should sit at the top of your visual hierarchy. The second element is your logo or an icon. This serves as a visual cue that instantly communicates what you do. If you don't already have a logo, you can explore the Elements tab. Just type a keyword related to your work in the search bar, then scroll down to the icon section and pick one that matches your style. I'm also adding a brush icon and a small sparkle to reflect my personality as a designer. If you're a small business, for example, running a bakery, you could also consider icons like cupcakes, coffee mugs, or bread loaves. Adding these instantly tells people what your brand is about, even before they read a single word. Now, the third element is your key information, the quickest way for someone to reach you. This is where you add your phone number, email address, and website. To edit, just double-click and type in your details. Most templates already include icons for these, which makes it even easier. But if you'd like to include your office or shop address, you can place it here as well and choose a matching icon from the Elements tab to fit your style. The fourth element is a QR code, your quick access point to showcase your work or your business. Creating one is simple. Open a new window, search for Adobe Express QR Maker, enter your website link, and your QR will be ready in seconds. Then just upload it here and bring it into your business card design. To remove the white background, use the Remove Background tool. The fifth element is a personal touch. To add this, click on the Add Page button with the same size to create the back of your business card. Here, include a short message that feels warm and inviting, something that sparks conversation. For example, if you run a bakery, you could add a line like "Made with love, one loaf at a time." I'm typing a brief note for mine and using the rewrite feature to make it sound more inspirational. After a bunch of options, this version feels just right. I'm readjusting the font size using the same bright red for the background and the off-white for the text. For the best alignment, you can go to Position and click on Center and it will snap perfectly into place. And that's it. Just hit download, choose PDF print ready, and your personalized business card will be ready to go straight to print. Pro tip, choose a sturdy 300 GSM paper with matte lamination for a refined professional finish. Try Adobe Express now. The online website link is in the caption below. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.